Hello friends, today's topic is orbital magnetic dipole moment of an electron. Here, an electron of charge -e is revolving in anticlockwise direction in a orbit of radius smaller. As the motion of the electron is in anticlockwise direction, the corresponding angular momentum L and the angular speed omega would be along this axis and will be along upward direction. The charge of the electron is negative, so due to this movement the corresponding current would be in clockwise direction, which will produce a magnetic dipole moment mu, which will be in downward direction. We are going to find out the magnitude of this magnetic dipole moment. The orbital current is I is equal to E by capital T, where capital T is the time period of this revolution, but the time period is 2 pi by omega. Omega is the angular speed, so I becomes E omega by 2 pi. And we know the magnetic moment of a current carrying loop is current into the area. Here the I is E omega by 2 pi and the area of this loop is pi r square. So the orbital magnetic moment becomes mu is equal to I is equal to E omega by 2 pi pi r square. E omega by 2 pi, this is the current I, orbital current. And we get E by 2 m r square omega. Actually we take m in numerator and denominator, where m is the mass of this orbiting electron. But look at this term mr square omega, especially this mr square term. Mr square is nothing but the moment of inertia of this orbiting electron respect to this axis. So this term mr square omega would be the angular momentum, that is the L. So we have finally the magnetic moment is equal to EL by 2m. But mu is opposite to L, so if we use the vector notation, it would be mu is equal to minus EL by 2m. Now for the ground state of hydrogen atom, L is equal to H cross is equal to H by 2 pi. We know it. So if we replace this L by H cross, we get EH cross by 2m. Mu is equal to, we name it a special name mu b, which is called the Bohr magneton, whose value is, if we put these values of H, pi, m, then we get 9.27 into 10 to the power minus 24 ampere meter square. This is called the Bohr magneton, and we give a symbol to it, mu b. Actually it is the unit of atomic magnetic moment. Thanks.